The evidence for desecration is partly the fact that all of the evidence of burning, the many of these stones themselves they're not only blackened but also in many cases cracked by heat, and then you get lots of evidence of burning at the top of the pyramid. The structure that was on top of the pyramid, which is apparently had earth or clay, modeled clay ornaments on it, and those have been heated in many cases. Pottery that was on top of it was heated so hot that it actually started turning into glass. There'd be little bubbles formed in it when it was superheated, and then almost all the cutting objects at Teotihuacan are made out of this volcanic glass called obsidian, and we get pieces of obsidian artifacts that started to melt, so they became runny and started losing their shape. We even get droplets of melted obsidian, which tells you how hot the fire was. So this evidence of very hot fire is part of it, and then also the fact that the pyramid itself was then just allowed to fall apart over time. Gradually, on the back and the sides, all of the huge stone carvings, one by one, started falling off the pyramid. So when archaeologists started working there in 1917, with just a big shapeless mound, and the one place where the actual carvings were preserved was on the front, because the front of the Temple of Quetzalcoatl pyramid is where they built this big platform in front of it, and that buried the front of it, but it also meant it preserved the front of it. That's what you see when you go there now, are those preserved remains on the front of it.